It's Title Tuesday, here we go. Thoroughbred protects your deal, now you know.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Title Tuesday. I'm Eric, the president of Thoroughbred Title. Last week, we talked about surveys, what they are and how they help show the physical boundaries and improvements on a property. This week, we're focusing on easements, what they are and how they affect property rights and why they come up so often in title work. At its simplest, an easement is a legal right for someone else to use a portion of a property for a specific purpose. Ownership of the property doesn't change, but certain rights to use the land may exist. Some easements benefit a property, while others burden a property. For example, an access easement may benefit a neighboring parcel that needs a way to reach a public road. At the same time, that easement may burden the property it crosses because that portion of the land must remain available for that shared use. One important thing to understand is that most easements run with the land. That means, when a property is sold, the easement rights typically stay in place and continue to affect future owners. Common examples include utility easements for electric, gas, water, and sewer lines, drainage easements, access easements for neighboring parcels, shared driveways, or private roadways. Most easements are routine and expected. In fact, many homes rely on utility easements so services like electricity, water, and internet can reach the property. Some easements are easy to see, like a shared driveway. Others may only appear in the public record and be identified during the title search. That's another reason the title search and survey often work together. The title search identifies the legal easement, and the survey can show where the easement affects the physical property. Most of the time, easements don't create problems, but they are an important part of understanding the full rights associated with a property. We'll see you next Tuesday for another Title Tuesday, where we'll talk about filed maps and subdivision plans and how they define property boundaries and access rights.
Connect with Thoroughbred Title at tbtitle.com. Find us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Links are in the first comment.